So I've had my Tesla for a few months now, and I think it's time we got a spoiler. So Teslas only come with a spoiler if they're the performance variant, but you could go to Tesla and pay $800 for the Model Y specifically and get yourself a spoiler. Now that's a pretty penny, especially when you consider it was only a 4K jump compared to the Performance Edition, which obviously you get faster acceleration, better brakes, and a different badge, even though it's just a line. So, of course, with that, I did not want to pay $800 and wanted to do it myself, so I was doing my own research. And out of the blue, a company reached out to me. They wanted to send me a product of theirs, and they have a huge lineup of Tesla accessories, and we'll go through that later in the video. But they're called EVBase, and they sent over a spoiler, a carbon fiber spoiler, and their spoiler only costs $200. And, that's a very good price, especially considering Tesla's is $800. Now, Tesla's does include installation, but it is super easy to install. Everything you need is in the box except the isopropyl alcohol, which you could get at a CVS or Walgreens or any sort of pharmacy store if you're, in Canada or Europe. I don't know what you guys got over there. Now, to add, for anyone who does have a ceramic coating, you will need a clay bar or polish that little lip to get the spoiler to stick, because if not, nothing is sticking to ceramic coating. If you'll think it's stuck on there, and then maybe when you go 65 miles per hour, it is flying right off. So I couldn't even get painter's tape to stick on my CSL G Technique ceramic coating. So make sure you're able to stick the spoiler on straight to the paint surface. All you do is, you want to make sure your surface is fairly clean. So if you give your car a car wash, even better. But if not, grab your isopropyl alcohol, 70%, give it a spray down and, wipe it off, make sure it's all off there. Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is grab a tape measure and kind of put on the spoiler as best you can to be in the middle, and then grab some painter's tape, which they include in the box, and just stick it on each end. And then all you really need to do is take your tape measure one end, measure the other end, make sure they match. That takes a few minutes just to make sure it's perfect. And then what you're going to want to do is what I did is I grabbed a piece of tape, ripped it in half, and put one part of it on the spoiler itself and the other one just on the trunk lid. And then I knew to align the left side of the tape to make sure it was properly aligned without needing to look at the sides as carefully. And so before you rip off the 3M tape from the spoiler to stick on, what you're going to want to do is grab the adhesive promoter that's in the box. So literally they have included everything you would need in the box, again, except the isopropyl alcohol. And you just grab that adhesive promoter and you just put it on along the edge where that spoiler is going to sit, and then you take off the 3M, the backing for that 3M VHB tape, and then all you do is you're just going to stick it on. And then I added some tape to help, create some tension, which didn't really work in my case because I had a ceramic coating. And that's really it. I mean, definitely go check out this spoiler or any other EV-based product. They have a lot of cool ones there. I'm actually considering grabbing their interior lighting kit, since all you have for interior lighting is really the screen, and it's fairly bright at night. So, they have a lot of good products there. Definitely go check them out. And you can actually use code SparkDrive for 15% off, which is really nice. Check them out. And thanks to EVBase for sending out a spoiler for me to stick on my car. And to all you guys watching, please leave a like. Please subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.